As promised or not, but I am discussing about this poster today, which is possibly Goku's new transformation. Cheers! Woohoo! Hooray! Now, what does it read in kanji? So many people translated it and it varies from place to place, but its exact meaning is which is found in like 75% of the translation. It means the work of God ends here. Like this and this just means the work of God ends here. Like what does it mean by the work of God ends here? Does it mean that the Daishin Khan is having great big plan to destroy all universes? The Zero Model Plan too. Yay! Woohoo! Is that what Daishin Khan wants with the other people in this universe? But guys, I'm literally scared because when I see this form, and literally I get goosebumps. He's like so strong and it's looking like he's gotten a mystic form like one. But as you can see his hair over here, you can see that these are in like the Super Saiyan transformation. I guess like Jiren, Beerus, and other people fight in just like their base form and they're pretty strong. I think Goku will earn the right. I mean, his new form will be something, a transformation. It might be a transformation or it might be not. Because in the trailer also and in the thumbnail also, I have just put today, I mean, in the opening 2, version 1 and 2, whatever you want to call it, we see Goku saying that the invisible me is waiting inside. So that does mean a lot of things. It does mean that Goku has like Goku's gonna transform, but it's gonna be like uh, we don't know because it's a teaser for this transformation. Because as we saw in the god of destruction, Beerus or the battle of gods are, they would tease Goku's new SSG form with like he would just take in steps and they would show the red luster, and when it would come, when you reach the revival of FR, it would show the blue hair and all the blue aura. But guys, this is a mystic aura, and this does mean a lot of things. We are not clear what it is gonna mean, and what does the work of God ends here mean actually. I guess it means that every god is gonna face Goku. The Daishin Khan is gonna be defeated by the hands of Goku because he is one of the five strongest people in the whole multiverse, and that does change things a lot. Because if Zenosama is the strongest person, then may come the Daishin Khan, and then may come like Jiren and other people, or even the god of destruction from other universes. But we are not clear. We're literally not clear on this topic. So there is lots to talk about and pretty less time. It's like if I extend this video to a lot, it might you might not enjoy it. So this is gonna be the first part, and I'm gonna make maybe a live video or some other video in which we're gonna continue this. It's not gonna be part one and it's not gonna be named part one and part two, but they're pretty much gonna be connected. So guys, what do you think? Will Goku use this form to defeat the gods, or will Goku use his new transformation to defeat Jiren? Comment down below what do you think, and please vote also. There's a poll right in the card over here, right here, guys. You have to do it, and let's see what happens in the tournament of power. So, I'll meet you all tomorrow with the review of episode 99, Krillin's Latent Power.